Hi, good morning, dear students. Now we discuss the third question. Equal triangles one side and two angles എന്ന പാർട്ടിലെ തേർഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Our question: in the figure, ABCDE is a pentagon with all sides of the same length and all angles of the same size. The side AB and AE extended meet the side CD extended at P and Q. Okay, question number പറയാം. ABCDE is a pentagon. A B C D E is a pentagon with all sides are equal. This side, these all sides are equal and all angles are equal. Okay. Then, what do you mean by pentagon? A five-sided closed figure is called pentagon. Then here, all sides and all angles are equal. So we call this figure is a regular pentagon. Is it clear? Then our question: are the sides of triangle BPC and triangle EQD are equal? Are the sides of triangle BPC and triangle EQD are equal? Here we know the sides, these side and these sides are equal. Okay. Consider the triangle BPC and EQD. Consider the triangle BPC and triangle EQD. Equal sides, these two sides are equal. Regular pentagon. Then we write BC equal to ED. BC equal to ED. Reason given. Is it clear? Then all angles are equal. Regular pentagon, all angles are equal. Okay. Then these angles and these angles are equal. Okay. Then we know what do you mean by linear pairs. A line, underline. Then the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Okay. Now regular pentagon, all angles are equal. Here we assume that the angle is x, here x, here x, here x, and here x. So this angle is 180 minus x. That means PBC is 180 minus x. Also QED is 180 minus x. That means these two angles are equal. Then we write angle PBC equal to angle QED. Reason linear pair. Got it? Then consider these two angles. This angle is x, here x, so here 180 minus x and here 180 minus x, linear pair. Okay, then we write the angle PCB. Angle PCB equal to angle QDE. Angle QDE, linear pair. Got it? Then one side and two angles at each ends of first triangle are equal to one side and two angles at each ends of the second triangle. Then these two triangles are equal. So this triangle and these triangles are equal. Okay, our question: are the sides of the triangle BPC and triangle EQD are equal? Yes. Okay. Here we conclude triangle BPC equal to triangle EQD. Triangle EQD. നമ്മൾ അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു റീസണും കൂടെ ഇതിൻ്റെ താഴേക്ക് ഒന്ന് എഴുതണം കേട്ടോ. എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് എന്തായിരിക്കും? വൺ സൈഡ് ആൻഡ് ടു ആംഗിൾസ് അറ്റ് ഈച്ച് ends of triangle BPC and one side and two angles at ends of triangle EQD are equal. Then the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So PC equal to എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ആംഗിളിന് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വരുന്നത് QD. Then what are the other angles, other sides? These side and these side. That is PB equal to then second PB equal to ഏതിനോടായിരുന്നു PB ഈക്വൽ ആയിരുന്നത്? DQ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് EQ. And the third side we already know BC equal to D, regular pentagon. So first part is over. Then the second part. What is the second part? The second part is, are the sides of AP and AQ. AP means this is AP and AQ this is AQ of triangle APQ. Okay, are the sides of AP and AQ of triangle APQ are equal? Why is the question. Okay, we know AB equal to AE, regular sides of the regular pentagon. Then PB equal to EQ. Is it clear? And the reason is proved. Okay. അങ്ങനെയെങ്കിൽ ഇവ തമ്മിലൊന്ന് ആഡ് ചെയ്താലോ? AB plus PB added. AB plus BP or PB is AP. AP equal to AE plus EQ, that is AQ. Is it clear? Okay. അങ്ങനെയെങ്കിൽ AP equal to AQ എന്ന് കിട്ടും. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ആൻസർ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ.